Hi, hello, how's your mom and them? If you're new to this channel, my name is Haley, and I wanted to talk about something really quick. If you don't care, there will be a timestamp for when I'm done rambling. Oh, you do care, you stayed, appreciate you. So, I am formerly known as Bimbos with Brembos, which I must say is a top tier, 10 out of 10, great name. Honestly, I've been doing some evaluation with my life, and Bimbos with Brembos doesn't just fit me. I'm just a lot more than a bimbo with Brembos. And I don't even have Brembos anymore. All I have is the F-150, but that's besides the point. I absolutely love mechanics. I love building the car. I love bikes. I love what I've done with the channel, but I've just got a lot more to offer, and I'm very excited to add more to this platform, to add more of myself to the world and just hopefully make a positive difference. And I know that's all cheesy and stuff, but I'm really excited. I decided to take my author name, which is Aspen Terra, and I feel like it fits me more. I'm really passionate about it, and I really want to bring my poetry and just share it because I do think that it might be able to help some people. But I also want to use that for my gaming, and that's what we're going with now. So I hope you like it. If you don't and you miss the OG Bimbos with Brembos, I do understand. There will still be videos in that category. I'm just expanding, yo. I regret saying that. But I'm really excited, so word vomit, that's that. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me like go into Ikea and get the desk, right? Now we get to build another one. Is it perfect? Yes, probably so. Did it take some years off my life? Yes, probably so. Oh my God. Move, move. Heavy. I've got red hair now. Do you like it? I went for like a burgundy type of color, but my mom says it's auburn. I don't know. It's red. I'm red. I had to address it because, you know, if you're watching the video and it started with brown hair and it's ending with red hair, where is the consistency? I'm so excited to start gaming, and now we have the setup for it. That was a little sneak peek of my computer. I finally finished building it, and man, that was stressful. I was watching YouTube videos on how to do it, and I was like, I got this. I got it. It's fine. I'm gonna do great. No. Every step that was supposed to be like, hey, just do this, for me and for my computer parts, were like, nah, no, we're gonna make it harder. But I'm gonna edit that video and it'll be out soon, so I hope you are excited for it and to start gaming. I really do like it though. I finally have like my little nook, my little space where I can edit videos, because for the last 3 years that I've done YouTube, 3 I think, I've just been using my iPhone and it works, it gets the job done, but this is gonna be so much better and I'm so excited. Honestly, I just have to say thank you for the continued support through me posting on a constant schedule to me not posting anything within like 4 months. But I'm really trying to commit. I want to commit to YouTube. I think it could be really great and really fun. And if you like doing mechanic videos and learning some how-tos with me, if you share the same passion for motorcycles as me, and if you like video games, I think you might like it here. So please consider subscribing. It means a lot. No pressure though. Thank you so much for your support and for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!